Thanks, Garfield. Now, Holy Family Primary are the Kingston Insports football champions after a 5-3 penalty kick win over Alpha Primary in the final. The two played out a 2-2 draw in regulation time, with Neymar Walker scoring both goals for Holy Family. After the deciding penalty kicks, Holy Family emerged victorious. Player Jaden James was awarded top goal scorer with 8 goals, while Keandre Lewis took home the MVP trophy for his role in defense.
Our game, put the ball on the ground, move it around. Unfortunately, in the first half, Alpha kind of nullified that, but in the second half, we came alive. They get a goal against the runner play, but we were not worried. We were confident that we could get the job done.
The game plan for today was just to play simple, catch them on the counter, but as you see, Holy Family defended well, and that cost us the game today.
Balmagie Primary emerged champions of St Andrew with a 5-4 penalty kick win over St Patrick's. The two had played out a 0-0 draw in regulation time. Kingston's third place went to Harbour View without kicking a ball, as Iris Gelly failed to show. Rousseau Primary finished third in St Andrew in that section with a 1-0 win over Mona.